unbox another. Actually, I got a lot of things to unbox today, but yeah, this is one of it. So I got the daily Vanity, the best of beauty box. So it's actually a limited box, yeah. So yeah, I just spend $5 to pay for the shipping, and I get all this for free. So this is how it looks like inside. So they got a lot of things. They are mostly a few full size product. So this is the first full size product you can see here. Yeah. So this is Lotion Tonique, a smoothing and purifying face toner that hydrates, balance, and comforts dry, oily, or sensitive skin, alcohol free and artificial fragrance free. 200 ml, so definitely it's full size. I never seen this brand before. Uh, yeah, 14 BLY. I mean, oh, design in Singapore. So it's a Singapore product actually. So yeah, maybe you can try. Hopefully it is good. So this is the second item inside the box. So this is from Choo Origin. So 40 ml. Scalp treatment accent for irritated scalp formulated with Choo accents. Recover plus calm defense, it seems. So this Choo Origin is since 2000. Pumpkin seeds extract vitamin B3 and vitamin B6. Yeah. So this is also a made in Singapore item. No wonder I never never heard about them before. So those toner actually what's the brand of this toner? Well, from here I can't really quite see. It's only shown as LY or 14B. So yeah. I mean no harm trying. Okay, so other than that, the rest are mostly like sample size. So this one, oops, this is the next item. So this is the anti-dark spot serum brightening booster. So yeah, so this is the sample size that is shown inside. It is actually still being, you know, taped taped up. I haven't really removed this tape actually. Yep. Okay. So now you can see how it looks inside here. Yeah, I don't know why I have a different tone suddenly. Okay, so other than this is the anti-dark spot daytime care. For all skin type, it seems a daytime care. Oh, it have SPF 50 plus here. Actually, it's shown. So this two is the anti-dark spot serum brightening booster. So there's two sachet for you to try. I mean, I guess this is should be good for me to try since I have like dull or uneven skin tone, to be honest. And here it actually shown like how the full routine should be like which item will be used first. Yeah. Yeah, that's like all for this. So I shall put it back first, and then let me move on to the next item. Yeah, a bit hard to put back already lah. Okay, okay, next one. I think voucher. Wait, this. a few items. This one can wait a while. So the next one is this. Oh, so this. So it's a sample for the Sensibio. Oh no, it's Sensibio defensive. It's for sensitive or sensitized skin. Reduce skin reactivity by 78%. Active soothing cream for sensitive skin. Powerful defense against pollutions and irritation. So they actually provided these two items together in a sample size, as you can see here. So the first one is cleansing. So it's their soothing foaming gel. Actually, I tried this before. I really like this. I plan to get the full size. This is damn good. And then yeah, the one below here is the moisturizer. This one I never tried before, so I guess it's good for me to try right now. So yeah, next is this. Uh, yeah, I also not sure what is this. I have to open up and see. No try goodness. Okay, so this is like some I don't know, like health like product. So there is three sachet here. This blue color one, which is a winter melon flavor. NutraBreeze, hydrating and cooling with a winter melon and artichoke. What is this for? Um, oh, it's also a Singapore brand. Okay, they're mostly Singapore brand to try. So okay, so the yellow one here is corn flavor, corn silk and artichoke. Artichoke or artichoke? I mean, okay. So hydrating and cooling it seems. Okay, the last one, the hopping is a passion fruit. Oh, it includes like collagen for this pink one. It's for hydrating. So yeah. So here it actually shows what is this for. Promote youthful, firm and radiant skin. Support skin hydration and elasticity. Sorry. Provide hydration and cooling effect. Also, oh, that's a bit wow. Okay, so the benefits for this is quench thirst, promotes bowel movements, provide hydration and cooling effect. Okay, perfect for hot sunny days, daily refreshment, or post workout heat recovery. Usually, take one bath 2 to 3 times daily. Dissolve the contents in 200 ml of water to enjoy refreshing drink. For best taste, serve with chilled water. Okay, okay. I mean, why not? I can try the cooling one since like the weather is really hot anyway. So okay, the next one is from Kinohimitsu, a very famous brand that I actually tried before too. Okay, so this one is this open up. Okay, so this one will be their Kinohimitsu Collagen Diamond 2 sachet for you to try. Ooh, collagen! Yay! I love collagen. So they also give a voucher, uh, $5 off with no minimum spend with a code here, but I'm like blocking away the code for now. So it's valid until end of this year. So good for me. Only for the code to be used at their official like shopping website here. So yeah, why not? Why not? I mean, it's good. I love their products. Yeah. For a moment, I thought they are gonna, give me one of their like I said, the meal replacement like thing. Since here is showing like a cleansing, balancing, and nourishing. You know, so I guess this is more of a overall like thing for them. So that one, this one is from a holistic way. There's two sachet of the rose. What's this? Rose Lancetta? No shit. Anyway, it's a collagen shot. Yeah, a rose flavor collagen shot. You can see here. Yeah, sorry. So Japanese patented the most rose exilium. Yeah. So I mean, this would be a very good thing for us also, I guess. Okay, last there actually just some brochure and voucher. So there's two voucher here. This one is there's two different item in one. So one is for skin repair. Fox trial $68 for two sections. Scalp purifying treatment. So it's to detox and purify the scalp. Um, Support natural cellular renewal, stimulate follicle fertility for fuller and stronger hair, restore comfort, clarity, and balance. So the other one is B extrosome exorcism treatment. First trial $68 also. So it's to lift firm and restore your skin at a cellular level. So it boosts collagen elasticity and soothes spine lines and pores, calms and hydrates with all those. Yeah. So behind there's a code. Oh, okay. There's a code. So you can just scan and book from the QR code here and quote the code that's given here for this like you know one time kind of treatment. So they are both valid until 30th November for this. The next one is this. It's a gift voucher for Belazon. This is a free treatment, totally free. Just score $588 worth of glow. Yours free. Belazon K Glow Glass Skin Laser. So, included with an advanced Korean BBL laser with 11 customized filters, targets 8 common skin woes, acne, pigmentation, dullness, and more. Oxygen mask finish for ultra hydration. So, this gift voucher, I have to take a photo of this voucher and WhatsApp them with the name and code. The code to book appointment at the preferred outlet and also to present this voucher on the day of the visit. So this one is expired on the 30th November also. So this one should a lot of people should be redeeming this soon since it's totally free. So yeah, I guess I might do that. some either in October or November. Oh, okay. So this is just the brochure from just now, the first toner that I opened up with. So from here, you can actually see more about them. LY, it stands for lifestyle. It shows you like what is this lotion tonic actually does and includes what here. So when you open up here, they actually shows you what's the benefits and purpose from the lotions, you know. And also there's a tick list for you to, if you want to use it here. Yeah. Yep. As behind here, it shows you like what's the full routine like to use their product. There's a total 5 set. It's a cleanse, toning, which is just now that lotion tonic, hydrate, moistures, and tone up with sunblock. So it is available for sales on the official website, Shopee or Lazada. Also, as shown here, if you want to know more, yeah. So you can see here. Okay, so the last item in the box is this. This is also one of a brand that I like and used before from the Nuxe. I used the perfume spray before, so now this is their new item, I guess. Anti-aging serum, 10 serums in one, super serum. Okay, so this is how the sample is like. Hmm. So I get to try one for the eyes and one for the face. Not bad, why not? So it even show you how to use it, like the steps here. So for this, they have Facebook, they have Instagram page, and also a TikTok page. I'm sure this their brand is like out almost like in most of the shops like Watson, Guardian surely have. Definitely, right? I actually bought the nudes like the spray from Watson, I guess. So yeah, I'm like kind of excited to try this one. It looks kind of shiny, glowy, and yeah, looks very expensive thing. So yeah, so that's the total. That's all for what's inside this beauty box. So yeah, so let me know what you think about this video. So yeah, bye.